Welcome back to the class. So I hope it's getting interesting. So in this class now we are solving another question which is similar to the question we solved in first place. So now let's see how to solve this quotient rule. So solution. Now still follow the same procedure. We have u equals to 2 plus x and v equals to x squared plus 2x plus 7. So we find the u over the x, so which is 1, this is 0, this is 1. The v over the x, which equals to 2x plus 2. So from quotient rule, quotient rule, so it says that the y over the x equals to v du over the x minus u, the v over the x, everything over v squared. So what's our v? We have the y over the x equals to v. So what's v? V is s squared. V is s squared plus 2x plus 7 du over the x, that's times 1, minus u. U is 2 plus x into brackets. The v over the x, we are having 2x plus 2 over the x. So having v squared, of which of v squared plus v, that will be s squared. V is same thing as s squared plus 2x plus 7 all squared. So now let's simplify. We have the y over the x equals to s squared. 1 times the whole of this will give us s squared plus 2x plus 7 minus, now we have, let's expand this. We have 4. We have 4 for 4x plus 4 plus 4 plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2x. So everything over x squared plus 2x plus 7 all squared. So we have the y over the x equals to x squared plus 2x plus 7 in brackets minus brackets 4x. So 4x plus 2x, we have 6x. We have 6x plus 4 plus 2x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 7 all squared. So let's simplify. So we open these brackets now, we are having the y over the x equals to x squared plus 2x plus 7 minus 6x minus 4 minus 2x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 7 x squared. So we are having x squared minus 2x squared, we are having minus, we have equals to minus x squared plus 2x minus this, we have a minus of 4x plus 7 over x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus 7. So that's the final answer for the derivative of y equals to 2 plus x over x squared plus 2x plus 7. So that is how to solve that with the help of what quotient rule. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be looking at another part of calculus. See you.